Imagine this. What if every single cell in your body could breathe pure oxygen? What if your body could heal faster, recover better, and feel more alive than you ever imagined? This isn't just a dream. This is the power of hyperbaric oxygen therapy. And now it's available in Ahmedabad at Lyfstyle Wellness. Dr. Swapnil Shah has introduced this advanced HBOT Lounge to help your body unlock its natural ability to repair and refresh itself. In this therapy, you breathe 100% pure oxygen inside a special high-pressure chamber. Unlike normal air, which has only 21% oxygen, this pressurized space helps your blood carry much more oxygen, giving every part of your body a burst of life. This extra oxygen acts like fuel for healing, helps your cells repair faster, boosts your immunity, opens new blood vessels, supports growth of new body cells, reduces swelling and inflammation, improves overall wellness, and has anti-aging benefits. People choose HBOT to boost brain function, recover faster from injuries or surgery, increase athletic performance and stamina, get relief from diving-related injuries, manage long-term health issues like diabetes or stubborn infections. The number of sessions you need depends on your health goals and condition. Each session lasts 1 to 2 hours, and multiple sessions can be planned for the best results. The US FDA has approved HBOT for important medical uses, including healing wounds, treating diabetic foot problems, supporting cancer patients during radiation or chemotherapy. At Lyfstyle Wellness, our HBOT Lounge is designed for your safety and comfort with professional care every step of the way. Under the expert guidance of Dr. Swapnil Shah, you can enjoy the amazing benefits of pure oxygen therapy in a calm and world-class setting. Give your body the oxygen it truly deserves. Book your session today and see how Lyfstyle Wellness can help you heal faster, feel stronger, and live healthier with hyperbaric oxygen therapy. Call us now 7383 442222. Visit us at www.lifestylewellness.com. We are located at 311 Avenue 1 near Manek Bagh Society, Shyamal Cross Road, Ahmedabad.